Cost of knee replacement in India. Knee replacement is done when other treatment fail to bring pain relief and restore mobility in patients with the damaged knee joints. Many foreign patients come to India for the low cost but highly successful knee replacement surgery. CMCS Health, your global healthcare guardian, is associated with the best orthopedic surgeon and top Indian hospital and provides best medical tourism assistance for successful knee replacement in India. To know more, visit our website cmcshealth.com, or you can send your queries on WhatsApp number +91 95820 56061. Types of knee replacement surgery performed in India. Total knee replacement. Total knee replacement or TKR is the most common type of knee replacement procedure where all the knee joint components are replaced with artificial components or prostheses. TKR could either be unilateral, that means for one knee, or bilateral, or for both the knees. CMCS Health, your global healthcare guardian, is associated with the best Indian orthopedic surgeons for successful knee replacement for its international or foreign patients. To know more, visit our website cmcshealth.com or WhatsApp us at +91 95820 56061. Partial knee replacement or PKR. Partial knee replacement is usually done in younger patients who have a damage to the knee joint because of sports injury or a trauma. Only the damaged components are changed during the knee arthroplasty. It is also called unicompartmental knee replacement. CMCS Health, your global healthcare guardian, is associated with top Indian orthopedic hospitals for successful knee replacement of its international patients. Revision knee replacement. Revision knee replacement or complex revision is done due to a failure of an earlier knee replacement. Revision knee replacement is a bigger procedure than the primary knee replacement as it involves the removal of the earlier implant and replacing it with the new prosthesis. It can be done as a one-step procedure or a two-step procedure. For successful knee revision knee replacement surgery in India, visit our website cmcshealth.com. Unilateral or bilateral knee replacement. Unilateral knee replacement is needed for one knee only, but in rheumatoid arthritis or other arthritis that affects both the knees simultaneously, bilateral knee replacement may be needed. We offer cutting-edge technology and latest innovations like Navigation 3 computer-aided knee replacement surgery, robot-assisted knee replacement surgery for better patient compliance and higher success rates. Partial knee replacement cost in India depends on type of the surgery, the expertise of the doctor and the hospital. The average cost of partial knee replacement in India can range from between 2,500 USD to 3,500 USD. Total knee replacement or TKR cost in India. TKR is the most common knee replacement procedure. Our best Indian orthopedic surgeons use original imported implant for longevity and avoiding the risk of revision surgery. The approximate cost could range between 3,500 USD to 5,500 USD. Original imported knee implants for better longevity. Revision or complex knee replacement cost in India. It is a bigger and time-consuming surgery. The cost of revision or complex knee replacement procedure depends on the steps involved into the surgery. The cost can range from 6,000 USD to 9,000 USD. Do not let bad knees take away the joy of living. Enjoy every moment of life. After a successful knee joint replacement in India, you can enjoy activities like cycling, skiing, feeling independent, walking your dogs, walking long distances, and enjoying a good social life. Many international patients have visited India for a successful knee replacement. Get a customized knee replacement in India with the best Indian orthopedic surgeons. CMCS Health, your global healthcare guardian, offers you the best medical tourism assistance, best doctors for orthopedic surgery of your knee, and the top hospitals in India for a successful knee replacement for you.